Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. Eyeshadow palettes that I think just really complement darker skin tones and that are beginner friendly, easy to use, great quality. Just some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I recently just did an eyeshadow tutorial, so I just felt like it would be best to follow it up with some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. So I have a few drugstore palettes in here and I also have a few high-end palettes. I think in total I have about 6 eyeshadow palettes that I want to show you guys. I also swatched all of these eyeshadow palettes because I wanted to show you guys how they look on my skin tone. So I wanted to start off with the cheapest eyeshadow palette that I have in this collection. This is the Wet n Wild in Love with Cocoa eyeshadow palette, you guys. This eyeshadow palette is only $4.99. I purchased it at Target. I really wasn't expecting a lot from this eyeshadow palette because it was so cheap, but these colors are super pigmented. It also has a lot of neutral shades along with shimmers. So if you're someone who likes to create very soft, everyday, natural eyeshadow looks, this would be a great palette for you. And if you also like to create bronzy looks every now and then, you can also do that with all of those shimmer shades. There is one thing I think is important to know about this eyeshadow palette. It only has 6 eyeshadow shades and 3 face pigment shades. The face pigment shades you aren't supposed to use around your eyes. I did not know that when I first purchased the eyeshadow palette. That's the only thing to be aware of when you're purchasing this eyeshadow palette. You're only getting 6 eyeshadow shades that you can use around your eyes, but for $4.99 I still feel like it's a great deal. And those 2 shimmer shades that you can't use around your eyes, you can use it as a highlighter. That's normally what I do, so I still get my money's worth, $4.99 out of this palette. Also, another thing that I recently discovered about this palette is that it has a light cocoa smell. It's not an overbearing scent. The only way I can actually smell the cocoa scent is if I bring the eyeshadow palette all the way up here and literally sniff it. I can't smell it from far away. I can't smell it when I'm applying this eyeshadow palette, so I like that it's not strong. It's not something that stuck out to me, not something that I noticed when I purchased this palette. The next eyeshadow palette that I have here is the Mented Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. I feel like everyone needs this eyeshadow palette. This is the perfect everyday neutral earth tone eyeshadow palette. It looks great on dark skin. Mented Cosmetics is also black owned. I'm sure that you guys knew that. These shades are really going to complement your skin tone. I love that it has so many transition colors. If you're someone who likes one shade eyeshadow looks or just something super natural and subtle, this is a great eyeshadow palette for you. And this eyeshadow palette retails for $28. The next eyeshadow palette that I want to show y'all is the Uoma Beauty Black Magic Carnival eyeshadow palette. This is also another black owned makeup brand. She's also Nigerian, so that's another plus, you know, repping for the Niger girls. But this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It has a lot of beautiful, vibrant shimmer shades. That's really what drew me to this palette. If you're someone who likes to create very colorful eyeshadow looks, this would be a great palette for you. I also like that it has a warm brown and that burnt orange shade. So if you want to create just simple smoky eyes, like a brown smoky eye, or just the everyday look with that orange shade, you can also do that. This is an eyeshadow palette that I like to use more so in the summer because of how bright the colors are, and also in the spring. This eyeshadow palette retails for $44. The next eyeshadow palette that I have here is the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature eyeshadow palette. In this eyeshadow palette, you have 35 different shades to choose from. I love very warm eyeshadow palettes. I just think that complements my skin tone the most, but this is a very warm eyeshadow palette. So if you're someone who likes a lot of warm eyeshadow looks, this would be a great palette for you. I love bringing out this eyeshadow palette around the fall and winter time just because of the colors. You have the oranges, the browns, and it's just a beautiful palette overall, and it's very pigmented. And y'all, I'm sorry, but I did not swatch all 35 shades. I just swatched a few. I'm so sorry, but that's a lot of shades to swatch, and if I had more fingers, I probably would have swatched all of them for you guys. This is a more affordable eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette retails for $26. My current favorite eyeshadow palette is the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude eyeshadow palette. If you're someone who likes a lot of girly eyeshadow looks, like a lot of pinks, pink shimmers, gold shimmers too, but this is a very girly, glamorous eyeshadow palette. You can create everyday looks with this eyeshadow palette as well. You can create smoky eyes. I just like how versatile this eyeshadow palette is. I can go from creating a simple, natural, everyday look with maybe this orange shade right here, but I can also create a super glamorous look. I used this palette today for my eyes, but I love how pigmented this eyeshadow palette is. Overall, I just really love Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes because they are super pigmented. They show up really well. You don't have to do a lot of packing to get the pigment that you want when it comes to this shade. And every time I apply any of these shades to my eyes, they just look so good. Another thing that I really like about this eyeshadow palette is that it has complementary shades right next to each other. So if you're someone who kind of struggles with what shades to pick, if you don't know what colors go together, it literally has the shade that goes together right next to each other. If you wanted to create a smoky eye, like a cranberry smoky eye, you have the cranberry shade right here. If you wanted to add a little bit of shimmer, you have that light purple shimmer that goes well with that cranberry shade. Or if you want to create this look that I have on right now, my main shade was this pale pink, and I just used this shade right here as my transition color, but they're right next to each other, so it's super easy to pair the shades together to create a very stunning, glamorous look or a simple everyday look. This palette is expensive, y'all. She's expensive. This retails for $67, but I don't regret buying this eyeshadow palette because the shades, the pigment, the quality is amazing. You get what you pay for. This is something that I had to sit on before I purchased it because of how expensive it was. If you're thinking about splurging on an eyeshadow palette, I would go with the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude eyeshadow palette. You'll love it. The last eyeshadow palette that I want to show you guys is the McGrath Celestial Divinity eyeshadow palette. Y'all already dropped this palette 2 times, and I'm so mad because this eyeshadow palette, the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, was expensive, but this one is even more expensive. If you want to create super glamorous, dramatic looks for special occasions, certain events, parties, just a super dramatic, glamorous eyeshadow look, this is a great eyeshadow palette to use. Majority of the shades in this palette are shimmer shades. You only need one swatch, you guys, to get the color payoff. The shimmer shades, the iridescent shades, the metallic shades, they are super pigmented. If you're looking for an eyeshadow palette for the holidays, for New Year's, Christmas, Thanksgiving, this is a great eyeshadow palette to get. This eyeshadow palette actually is really expensive, so if you have the extra money, I would recommend getting this eyeshadow palette. If you're a beginner and you're looking for your first eyeshadow palette to purchase, I wouldn't get this one just because it's super glamorous and you can't create everyday looks. These are looks that will stand out. These are not natural everyday looks. You can't create that with this eyeshadow palette. This palette retails for $77 or $78. I thought about buying it, but my sister ended up buying it for me, and I was just so happy because this was a limited edition eyeshadow palette. She does have another eyeshadow palette that's similar to this one. $78 is a lot for an eyeshadow palette in general, but for her eyeshadow palette, $78 is a good deal because her normal palettes are $125. So yeah, I'm just fine with this one for now. If you want to splurge, if you have a wish list, I would add this. If you're someone who likes very glamorous, glittery, metallic eyeshadow looks, this is a great palette for you. The last 2 products I want to show y'all is not eyeshadow, but I just didn't feel like this video would be complete without showing you these 2 products because I use them so frequently for my eyes. So the first product I have here is the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer. I talk about this in every video, but this is in the shade Mocha Mommy. It retails for $34. I use this as a bronzer, but I also use this for my eyes. If I just want to create a little bit of dimension to my eyes, a little bit of warmth, I like to go in with this bronzer. I like to use it on its own. I find that when I try to layer it with other colors, this shade just kind of disappears, but I think this is the perfect warm brown shade. I wish that it was an actual eyeshadow shade. I haven't found a warm brown shade that I've loved as much as the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer, so that's why I love to use it for my eyes. And the last product that I want to show you guys is the Bakerie blush in the shade Hey Pumpkin. I can't open this product product, y'all, because I dropped it so many times. I was only able to use this product one time before I dropped it a couple of times and it just crumbled, and I'm just not ready to purchase another one. So in this compact, this blush is a very bright orange. It's in the shade Hey Pumpkin. I have a very neutral undertone, so some days whenever I'm doing no makeup looks or if I just want my skin to look more warm, I like to add this to create that warmth. So without all of these lights, without any makeup on, my undertone is neutral, and sometimes my skin looks a little gray. To make my skin look more awake, alive, I like to use this to kind of warm up my eyes and of course my cheeks as well. And I just like how subtle the orange is. You can build it up to create a brighter orange. If you're looking for a product that just warms up your skin, brings back the warmth, if you have a neutral undertone like me, the Beauty Bakerie blush in the shade Hey Pumpkin really warms up your skin. So that's why I like to use the blush as eyeshadow. But y'all, that completes the video. Those are just a few of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I think really complement darker skin tones, that are easy to use, beginner friendly, easy to blend, easy to layer on those colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'll also have a list of each eyeshadow palette down below if you guys are interested in purchasing them. Let me know if you guys have already purchased some of these eyeshadow palettes or what eyeshadow palettes you're thinking about purchasing. And I will see you guys next time. Bye y'all.